Lesson 10. Scales 2. 2 octave scales on one string, performed in a duo. 2 octave scales on one string. This is the second scale system in Professor Frischenschlager's method book. This scale system is excellent training for left-hand shifting. The bow stroke used in this video is called Wechselstrich, which comes from the German term to change between. In this case, the stroke changes between one long stroke and a sequence of shorter notes. The long note needs to connect smoothly to the shorter notes. Make sure that the shorter notes maintain a beautiful sound quality. The Wechselstrich is commonly found in violin literature. The exact guidelines can be found in the book Classical Violin Technique by Michael Frischenschlager. 2 octave scales on one string, G major and G harmonic minor. Rhythm, half note with quarter notes. D major and D harmonic minor. Rhythm, quarter note with eighth notes. A major and A harmonic minor. Rhythm, dotted quarter with 16th notes. E major and E harmonic minor. Rhythm, 8th note with 16th notes. 4 bars are given for synchronization. Sheet music to play in a duo. 2 octave scales on one string, G major and G harmonic minor.